Hi guys, this is Rishabh Kapoor from websofttutorials.com. In this video guys, we will talk about while loop in PHP. Guys, the purpose of while loop is same as for loop. Means if you want to run a bit of code again and again, then you can use loops. So the while loop purpose of while loop is same, but the syntax is different. According to my opinion, it is a bit simple as compared to for loop. So I like to use while loop more as compared to for loop. So firstly, I want to tell you what is the syntax of while loop. Suppose guys, I want to print a number from 1 to 100 using while loop. Firstly, I want to tell you the syntax of while loop. Firstly, we will initialize a variable. So suppose I'll create a value of variable I equal to 1. Means I have initialized a variable I with the value of 1. Now after that, we will write the while keyword for the while loop and then two brackets, and in between these two brackets we will write our condition. So I want to write a number from 1 to 50, so I'll write repeat while I is less than or equal to 50. Then we will use two curly brackets, means repeat while I is less than or equal to 50. So we'll use echo statement here to print it. Okay, then after that, after printing the value, what we will do, we will increment or decrement the value. If you want to increment, you can increment it. If you want to decrement it, you can decrement it. So I will increment the value because I want to go from 1 to 50. So obviously we will increment it. So first one will be initialization, second will be condition, and third will be increment and decrement. So we will go to the browser and refresh. It's 1 to 50, so I will put it everything in the next line. So I will use a concatenation operator and I will use a br tag here. Refresh, you can see 1 to 50. Suppose guys, you want to print from 50 to 1. 50 to 1 means in a reverse order. What you will do, firstly you need to initialize the value with 50 because it starts with 50. Then after that you need to change the condition as well. So the condition will be repeat while I is greater than or equal to 1. Then after that, we will not increment it, we will decrement it, because firstly 50 will come 49, 48, 47, 46, and refresh. Now you can see 50, 49, 48, 47 and 1 in the last. I want to show you how it is working. First one, the value was 50. Now it is checking whether 50 is greater than or equal to 1. 50 is greater than 1, so the condition is true, because the condition is repeat while the I is greater than or equal to 1. 50 is equal or 50 is greater than 1. So it will print the 50, and now after that it will decrement the value by 1. So the value will be 49 next time. Now 49 is greater than 1, so it will print 49, and then it will again decrement the value by 1, then the value will be 48, and so on it will work. So after that, when the value will be 1, it will check while, means if the value is greater than or equal to 1. The value of I is 1, so 1 is equal to 1, means it is checking greater than or equal to 1. 1 is not greater than equal to 1, but it is equal to 1, so that's why the condition is true again. So it will print the 1. After that the value will be 0. Now it will check the condition again. It will check whether 0 is greater than or equal to 1. You know that 0 is smaller than 1, and it is also not equal to 1. So the condition is false here, and it will come out from the loop and it will print the value. You can see from 50 to 1. So guys, this was about while loop in PHP. So guys, if you still have any question, you can go to my discussion forum or you can leave a comment below. So thanks for watching this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get recent updates about my videos. Let's see you in the next tutorial.